Zazzle, you moved.
Uh-oh.
You moved, Zazzle.
He's looking down there. Look down there.
What's going on today? I'll tell you, it's freezing. Freezing out here on the boardwalk. I thought I'd get a little quickie video up because the sun is shining. That's on the plus side. And let's do this. Freezing Seagull Sunday! Hey seagulls, come on, go nuts here, will ya? Drop that one. As they wait patiently. And that concludes another exciting adventure of Seagull Sunday. Do 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 do. Now, who wrote that? Wonder who that is. Don't know. So, yeah, it snowed last night, and there's snow on the boardwalk, on the benches, on everything. Just a quarter of an inch of snow. Just enough to make a mess. When I was down here this morning, I didn't get any video of yous, so we'll get some video of you now. Okay, baked bread? The other day, when they had the storm, I hear they had 60-mile-an-hour winds, plus the ocean came all the way up to here, which is directly under the boardwalk. So the ocean came up pretty high. I guess that would be Thursday, the day we had the Trenton blizzard. Right, Big Brad? Buddy, get out in the sun, buddy. Get some sunshine, buddy. Buddy, where you going? Again, all kinds of interesting things have washed up on the beach from the storm, I guess Thursday. And it's could be a log or a piling or something. Weather has no effect on surfers. Prancer. Hey Prancer. What's going on, Prancer? Hey, Prancer. Drink some water. Next week's the polar bear plunge, 22nd of February. Hope to see everybody then. This makes a funny noise when I'm walking on the snow. Enjoying the snow, are they? Let's see what the pool looks like with snow on it. Come on, spring. It is cold down here in Seaside Park. Mama, another cold day in Seaside. You just stay inside here until we're ready to go back home. Take your nap. Snooky, looking for the squirrely. Looking for your squirrely snooks. Hey, Tumbles.
Come on, Snook.
Hey, Tumbles. What you doing?
Come on.
Pee-wee. Pee-wee. Webster. Webster, I thought you were Snooky, but you're... thought Snooky was Webster, but you're Webster. Peanut. And you're always in the rafters. Because you're a wild animal. You're always hiding. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, everybody. Keep those comments rolling in. Don't forget us, Seaside Heights Animal Welfare Group. Check us out on Facebook.